I'd like to turn this over to Pura Rahura'a with their dedication. Hallelujah.
My name is Mary Lilafan, and I'm the Artistic Director of Rahura'a. Today we pay tribute to Cameron Lee, a dancer that has been with us since Pura was created in 2006. Cameron lost her battle with cancer in January of 2021 at the young age of 22 years old. She had a beautiful spirit with an infectious smile and a kind heart. On the dance floor today are some of Cameron's Pura sisters, many of whom danced with her for over 15 years. This piece, Rahura'a, was originally performed at Tahiti Fete of San Jose in 2017, where Cameron last shared the stage with all of us. Today, we perform this dance once again to celebrate Cameron's beautiful life, and we know she's here with us in spirit. We love you, Cameron.
Another round of applause for Te Pura Rahura'a.